welcome to London Gatwick, where the local time is 20 minutes to 10. We would kindly ask you to remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop and the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. We would like to remind you that all mobile phones and any other devices used for messaging, calls or internet access must remain switched off until the aircraft doors have been opened. Please make sure you take all your personal belongings with you, checking in the seat pocket, underneath the seat and in the overhead lockers. Please take care when opening the lockers, as items may have shifted during the flight. Smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. On behalf of the captain and the crew, we thank you for flying with EasyJet today, and we wish you a pleasant and safe onboard journey.